Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix computer desktop icon not showing in Windows 10, 7, 8 in any window. It is a easy way to show computer desktop icons easily. There are two solutions. First solution, right click mouse button and then click personalize, then click themes and go to right side and click desktop icon settings, then click desktop icons. I select computer recycle bin and user files, then click apply and OK. This is our one solution. Then right click mouse button and click view, then click show desktop icons. Click on this, so my icon is show it. This is an easy way to show any computer desktop icons. You can see how desktop icons show easily. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.